In front of me is iPhone 17a, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. From my own experience, I can tell you now that cleaning up old password keeps your manager organized. If you want to delete ones you no longer use, here's how to do it on this iPhone in Default Passwords app. Firstly, open Utilities folder and tap on Passwords here. Then to continue, enter your current passcode and tap on All at the top left corner. Now you need to look for your password you wish to get rid of. You can do that by scrolling, using those letters on the right, or tapping on the search bar at the bottom and typing in whatever you want to. When you're ready, tap on a password, hit Edit at the top right corner, and choose Delete at the bottom. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Delete Password in the pop-up. And as you can see, mine was successfully deleted. Don't worry, this operation didn't delete your account, just added password to your manager. But in case you would ever want to restore it, you have 30 days to do it. That's because all of your deleted passwords, when you go back by tapping at the top left corner, are in the deleted section. Now you can click on it and either restore your password by hitting Select at the top right corner, tap on the one you want to restore, and hit Recover at the bottom left one to continue. To delete it permanently, hit Select again, pick a password, and tap on Bin icon at the bottom right corner instead. Then tap on Delete Password and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!